Hey guys, welcome back to the Old Paths. It is time for our first ever giveaway. Stay tuned later on in the video. We're giving away 2 eBay gift cards, $25 a piece. Somebody's gonna win, so stay tuned and we'll show you what's sold and what's happening at the Old Paths. Here we go guys, this is what sold Thanksgiving Day and half a day Black Friday. A grand total so far, and it's $12.52 at the time of recording. 22 orders for $811.97. So we're going to do this a little different this time. Instead of going around pulling 22 orders, we've already pulled quite a few of them. We're going to show you and tell you what they cost, what we sold them for. And then we're going to pull a few, pull 5 or 6, actually go through the store and pull them. But we want to just start off with some of the cheaper ones first, just show you what we sold. So the very first thing we sold today is a Chilton's Auto Repair Manual. This sold for $6.39. Then we sold a 1988 Hallmark Polar Bowler Santa Claus ornament for $7.99. Sold a Funko Pop. This is the Legend of the Ten Rings Shang-Chi, $7.99. We sold some Ankyo reindeer for $10.39. We sold NBA 2K11 for $10.99. We sold these Homeco Vintage Mice figurines for $13.59. Then we sold this White House ornament. This come from Tanya's aunt. These are really cool ornaments. That one sold for $14.39. Then we sold this As Seen on TV Micromaster pressure cooker for a microwave. It sold for $15.99. Then we sold this vintage 4-piece Tupperware deviled egg carrier. It's a Harvest Gold for $15.99. Sold a Mario and Donkey Kong figure. This come from Walgreens, Jack's Pacific, for $18.99. That was part of the Funko Pop lot. Then we sold a book set, Louis L'Amour books, 10 books for $19.99. We sold also part of the Funko Pop set, DC Multiverse Bizarro action figure for $22.79. Sold this Barbie Hallmark Christmas ornament, Barbie and the Magic Pegasus, for $23.99. Then we sold the Leapfrog Leap Start bundle that has the books and the reader for $31.99. And last but not least, we sold the Crinkle Claws Possible Dreams figurines. Both of them together sold for $38.38. All right, the total just changed. We sold something else. Now it's 23 items for $876.16. So we're going to pull the top 5 or 6 items. We're going to go to L3 for the first one. This is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle lot, L3. You guys know this is right after my own heart. Love Ninja Turtle stuff. And if you ever buy cheap toys, don't be afraid to lot them up. Don't think just because they're cheap toys you have to get rid of them or give them away. You can lot them up and sell them for pretty decent money a lot of times. Well, something wanted to play. But this is a pretty neat lot. It's a big old bag of Ninja Turtle stuff. This is 20 pieces total. Let's see if I can get it open. Show you guys what's in there without losing anything, maybe. 20 total pieces of Ninja Turtles action figures. Just all kinds of stuff, and most of it is not worth listing by itself. I mean, you could get like, you know, 12 bucks for him, maybe 10 bucks for him. If he was in good shape and wasn't missing his headband, 15, 20 bucks, but most of them are cheaper. So we lotted them all up and sold all those for $39.99. The next thing is over here behind our camera lady. All right, so Tanya sold some more silverware. This time she sold 4 salad forks. I'm not sure they're in this one, but we're gonna see. I'll should have labeled these different. That's the other ones. I'm going to leave those out for a minute because I'm going to need those in a minute too. Put these back. Okay, so Tanya sold 4 salad forks. I believe that's them, 6.5 inch. That's them. 4 of these salad forks. And we didn't try to bundle these up 4 at a time. We just bundled them up in bunches. And they're all the same in each bag. And we just pull them when we need them. 4 salad forks, $31.99. Again, that just blows me away that 4 forks would sell for $32. It amazes me. It's pretty awesome stuff. Next, we had the same buyer come in and bought 2 lots of the dinner forks. These are the Oneida Rushmore stainless steel flatware. These are 3-piece sets. So you got 1, 2, 3, but they bought 2 lots. So they bought 6 total forks. There's 6 forks. And those sold for $83.99 per set. So that's $167, $68 for 6 forks. I'm having trouble processing all that. That just seems so wild to me. But yeah, that is unbelievable. We have made, again, we had $40 in all the silverware. We've sold like $500 worth of it already. These things are still completely full. It's insane. I'm telling you guys, do not overlook silverware. Next, we have an Epson Powerlight desktop projector on rack 2. I don't think this was in the box. Yeah, it's right here. Right here. This ain't huge money, but we got it for like $2 or $3. So, you know, $2 or $3. I think we sold it for, yeah, $43.99. So I mean, $2 or $3 to make 43. And the reason it was cheap, it don't have a cord. It didn't have any cords, remotes, nothing with it. So we had to sell it as is. But $43.99 out of $2 is really, really good. Next, this is what just sold. It's a Texas Instrument TI-84 calculator. If you don't know about these, if you find the TI-84s or the TI-84 Pluses, they're a quick $60 to $70. And this one's an N4. Right here, down in the bottom. Alright, there it is. And it had the charging cable and the manual and the slide cover and everything with it. So $59.99 for that. And the reason our prices are a little cheaper right now is we've actually got a sale going on Black Friday, so our prices went down a little bit over this weekend. Here comes another Tanya sale. This one is on rack 5. So she got these at a yard sale. Oh, that's tight. I'm gonna have to work that one out. She got these at a yard sale for $10. These things are really pretty. They're like gold and just, they're Andrea by Sadek. $10. We had them listed for quite a while, but on sale, on our Black Friday sale, somebody sent us a pretty reasonable offer and we was like, you know what? Why not? It's a really good profit. By the time we pack them, we'll make like $65, $70, 60 to 70. But they sold for $101.50. So really, really neat items there. And last but not least, we have 2 more, and we're almost out of these. Coca-Cola Village houses. We got the comic shop and the candy shop. I'm going to try to remember that. The comic shop and the candy shop. I need to just leave him up there. There's the candy store right there in the front. That's awesome. And the comic shop. There's the comic shop right there. And we've got 5 more of these left. When we started out with these things, we had like 30 what, 30 or so, I believe it was. But these are so pretty, but very fragile. You got to pack these good. But the two of those, and we can pack them together, the two of them, there's that one, they sold for $111.98. And that is our sales, guys. So we've done pretty good. Like I said, it's just now 1:05 on Friday, so we've got all day to go, and it's been pretty good so far. 23 items in a day and a half is way above our average. We average in like 8 to 9. So it was like 12 yesterday and 14, or 12 or 13 yesterday, and about 10 so far today. So really, really good. So we just added one more sale to the list, $15.99 for this Detroit Lions hat, bringing the total over 900. Pretty sweet. Okay guys, here we go. This is the reveal of the first giveaway. Next week, somebody's going to win this prize package. It includes a tub of OxyClean. It includes a 6-pack of terry cloths, Mr. Clean Magic Erase, Clorox wipes, paper towels, lint roller, Tide pen, Goo Gone, a can of duster, air duster, a pair of scissors, and a bottle of Windex. All that is going to be given away next week. So make sure to go down and comment the word clean. And guys, this is stuff we use. We believe in this stuff. We wouldn't give you something we don't use or know that it works good. We actually use this stuff all the time. So go down and comment the word clean, and you'll be entered to win the first of a prize package that will be given away every week in the month of December. So good luck, guys. Clean. All right, guys, so I want to take just a couple minutes, going to try to make this quick, talk about our topic for this video, the value of Christmas items. A lot of people will overlook certain Christmas items because they don't think they have a whole lot of value. Some of them don't believe that they all do, but some of them don't. But there are some things that can be very valuable. To give you a for instance, I picked up this candelabra one time that had it was kind of like a lava lamp filling in the bulb. It had probably like 12 bulbs in it, and they wanted $15, but I just knew that it was going to be good. So I picked it up, brought it home, checked it out, tested it, put it on eBay, $150. And the reason some of that stuff can be good is because there's not a whole lot of it out there anymore. You can't go on Amazon, you can't go on Walmart and buy stuff like that. So eBay is going to be your place, your source for finding something like that. So don't overlook Christmas items. They can be really good. Tanya has done some spectacular buys on Christmas items over the years. If you watched our previous video, I believe it was, we sold some Christmas stockings. She has bought so many Christmas stockings that have sold for $25, $35, $50. It can be a really, really good seller. So be watching for that. And of course, a lot of people know like Hallmark Christmas ornaments. I seen the other day on Rocky Top Picker's channel, congratulations Ben for hitting 1,000 subscribers, by the way. And if you haven't subscribed, go check out Rocky Top Picker and tell him the Old Paths sent you. But he sold a Christmas ornament, a Hallmark, for over $300. Now listen, that's not common. That is a very hot, very rare Hallmark ornament, but a lot of them will sell for 10, for 12, for 15, for 20, and you can bundle up the cheap ones, 3, 4, 5 of them, and make 25, 30 bucks pretty quick, pretty easy. So don't overlook all of the Christmas stuff, and not just for that. I mean, you know, anything seasonal, Halloween, Christmas, any of the seasons, but Tanya has really niched down into Christmas and done some really, really good buys on a lot of Christmas. So make sure you're watching out for it because it can be really good stuff. It is time for the giveaway for the eBay gift cards. Merry Christmas. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, guys, here we go. I'm putting the video URL in, fetching. We're going to put the keyword, if I can figure out what I'm doing, organize. And here we go. We've got 55 comments. Winner number 1 is Tanya. That is not my wife. So Tanya, send me a message on Instagram and we will get you taken care of.
This is rigged.
My Tanya said this is rigged. And that comment was removed, and here we go for winner number 2. Dark Toy Lord. Awesome. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Dark Toy Lord, send me a message on Instagram. Appreciate you guys. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this week's episode. Thank y'all for coming in again. Thank you for everything you do for us. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate you guys so very much. Appreciate all of you that are in the giveaway. Appreciate the winners this week. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving. And until next time, keep seeking the old paths.